How to set an alarm on Android. Let's get started with the video. To start with, open the clock app on your phone. Once it opens, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the alarm tab. After that, hit the plus icon at the bottom right corner to set a new alarm. At this moment, a time slider will appear. Simply adjust the slider to set the exact time you want the alarm to ring. Moving forward, you can also choose your alarm ringtone by selecting the available sound. Next, click on Repeat option. Here you can decide whether you want the alarm to ring every day, once, or according to a custom schedule of your choice. In addition, if you want the alarm to vibrate, toggle on the vibrate switch. Before saving, you can also add a label to your alarm. Finally, hit the checkmark icon at the top right to save your alarm. By following this step, your alarm is now set and ready to go.